Few clouds early this morning. After that, we were off to the races. A beautiful day, a lot of sunshine, dew points were low, and kind of right where a lot of people like to be. Mid-70s, upper 70s out towards Bangor and Millinocket. Now overnight tonight, because it's clear, it gets cool pretty quickly, and those dew points allow temperatures to drop down too into the 50s and 40s. And again, I think we could see a stray 30 across northern Aroostook County, especially a place like Fort Kent, kind of notorious for that kind of thing. Tomorrow ends up being a beautiful day though. Temperatures in the mid-70s, a lot of sun, few cumulus clouds in the afternoon. Not going to be a real detriment to the day though. But eventually, from southwest to northeast, we start to bring some clouds in and some rain. And as we talked about, this is what is left of Tropical Storm Debbie. Not a direct hit, there's not much left of it, but it's really the moisture being infused into a front. And so overnight Thursday and into Friday, all of these showers will have the potential to put down a lot of rain very quickly. And there could be some flash flood warnings when these hit over the same spot over and over again. That being said, you know, Friday morning is wet. It doesn't look like it rains all day on Friday. It looks like we have some periods of downpours out there. And again, they could come down pretty hard, but there's a lot of just cloudiness. It's a little bit sticky. Temperatures are in the 70s. A second round of rain looks to move in on Friday night. And then this particular model, I think, is moving this whole storm out a little too fast on Saturday. However, other models have picked up on the idea that it will move out faster on Saturday, so we'll get more of the day on Saturday with some decent weather, it looks like. So we start off with some rain here. This is late on Friday night into early Saturday, and then I think we do start to clear out, especially over western Maine, New Hampshire, southern Maine, through the, let's say, middle of the day on Saturday at this point, and then it takes until the early afternoon over down East Maine, and we get a late burst of sun in there on Saturday afternoon. So there's Debbie, tropical storm that will be moving kind of across the Ohio Valley a little bit. It has nowhere to go. There's a big high out here. So that's what brings that moisture into our neck of the woods, and it gets into that front. It does look, though, like the heaviest rain will be confined to our west here. So the heaviest rain likely in upstate New York into the Champlain Valley. And even though we have downpours and potentially some flash flood warnings, I don't think we see widespread flooding. The speed of this also helps us. It's moving faster than it looked like it was going to originally. So again, getting better on Saturday. That forecast is partly cloudy on Sunday. A little bit breezy, though, but I mean, it's still going to be pretty nice. Temperatures in the upper 70s there, mid-70s on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to around 80 degrees with an isolated shower possible in the afternoon. I think those days in general, though, are pleasant enough. It'll just be a pop-up shower that comes through. And again, we'll keep an eye on exactly how quickly we're able to get Debbie out of here on Saturday morning.